This is my DIY van conversion of a 2015 Ford Transit 350 HD dually. This is a 3.2 liter turbo diesel, and in this episode, I will show you how I built our stationary bed along with a slide out bench bed. So welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy this series. Okay, so I'm starting out on the bench. So now you can kind of see, this is going to be kind of what you see when you open the door. This is going to have a big cushion on top of it, and this will all be closed. That plug will be mounted right there. So I need to put some supports there for that. But I'm just kind of trying to get the frame down. So to give you an idea, gonna fall. So this is it. And then I built another frame that's exactly the same. So this is how it will look when it's closed. And then the next part I'm gonna do is like the slats, so that we will be able, when the boys want to go to bed, pull this out, and then this whole section will be bed. So I'm gonna work on the slats next. Okay, so now I am going to be attaching these, but I did get 1x2s that they're the exact same length as the bench, and so they're going to go on top of this one and this one. I need to double check that, but basically I'm going to I'll attach every other one to this 1x2, and then on this side the opposite, I'll attach like this one and this one, so that when I pull this out, only every other one will slide out with it, and it'll make this actually a pretty decent sized bed. It's gonna be, I mean, it'll be bigger than a twin. This is 19.5, so what's that? I don't know, like 38 inches. And both the boys will be able to sleep on that. We already know that. Whoa. Want to see the idea? I'm in the way. How are we going to do this when we're in here? Yeah, but there's nowhere to stand. I mean, I guess you don't have to pull it out any farther than that. Oh, that's how far it goes. Holy shit. Look at this. Do you see this? Why are you not as excited as I am? Why am I so excited, you may ask? Because I just got my flooring for free. The guy at the store was just like, take it, pull up on the back, and I'll just give it to you. So my Wednesday morning is shaping up to be a good one. Okay, so I just wanted to see what it looks like, because I really didn't get a choice in the matter. I just wanted it light. This is a little grayer than I wanted, but for the beautiful price of free, I'm digging it. and it's totally gonna work. So pretty cool. Same type of flooring that I got for the other ones. There's a texture on it, and it's just like an LVP, super thin, snaps in. So this is gonna be super quick and gonna make such a better look to this place. So hopefully this afternoon I'll be able to get it in. Okay, I'm in the van. I removed the cabinets and I removed the slat bench top. So I am basically taking everything out because I want to lay the flooring and I want it to be seamless. I'm not going to go all the way to the van edges, but like a majority of the way, just so that I won't have to have like a bunch of shoe molding. The sucky thing is this bench, I didn't give myself like any leeway on measurements. And so I have to take this framing down to my table saw and rip off like 1/4 to a 1/2 inch so that it sits just a little bit lower because I was way too close to this. So don't do what I do and give yourself some leeway in your measurements, but I'm going to do that. Get the flooring hopefully in. And this place will be looking pretty cute soon. Okay, moment of truth, see if it actually works. So pull on these. Fucking works. Let's see if it can hold me. Ooh. Fuck yeah. Okay, so I didn't fully install it because I still want to sand this and put a like polyurethane on it. I'm going to keep it the natural wood. I might stain it, but I just want this part to be wood. This will be painted whatever color I'm going to go with, along with these fronts. Another reason that I have to wait is you can see back here on all of the slats, I need to route the bottoms so that when it meets up with this board, it'll slide. So this keeps getting caught and I need to like pick them up constantly. And so once I route them, then it'll slide in perfect, but totally works. So I just brought the bench top back in. You can see kind of right here, this is what I wanted to do around the edges that move so that when I slide it back in, it'll come up easily over on top of this one. So I did it to every other one on this side, and then I did it to every other one on this side. And then I whitewashed it and polyurethaned it. So that's in. It's not secured, but it's done, I think. This is the... Okay, look what I just got in the mail. I am so stoked at this. When you get bench seats made, covers, they're freaking expensive, like $500 anywhere you ask. And I needed one for here and then one for the back. And then I'm going to have like an extra one that we're going to store under here for when we make it into a bed. But I was doing some research and I found this company called Covers and All. And I got this. This is 73 inches long for a 4-inch thick foam. I got it for $59. And it is so nice. Like, it's outdoor, nice, durable material. And it has a zipper all the way on the back so you can easily take it off and wash it. And let me show you the inside. It's like a rubber, sorry, like I was saying, it's like a boat material almost. So like if the boys spill anything on this, it is going to be so easy to like not leak through to the foam pad that I have. So I was reluctant in thinking that this was going to be like a nice thing because of the price point was so good, but it is like really amazing. I love it. I already last night ordered one for there and one for here. Which those two were only like $34. I cannot even believe it. It's crazy to me. So these are going to be 4-inch thick, and this website you can totally customize like however deep you want it, however thick you want it, long, like it's amazing. And so yeah, I couldn't be any more happier with that. The only thing is they have like only like 6 options of colors, but if you want neutral, this is the place to go. Okay, so I overstuffed them. I learned from the last time when I did my first big bench, it was kind of like, it was just like the fabric was loose. And so this makes it so much more of like a boxed seam. And just wanted to see how they would fit. But this is it. So I'm going to attach some like Velcro strips basically across, so that when we do have them, like they won't be sliding, you know, and then they'll stay in place for when they're in a bed. And then this one is just kind of for the bed. So this will get stored underneath, and then we'll push this in. This will go right there. And then that is for right back there. But I am so happy I found this company. They are like the best. I am trying to fix this beauty. So I got these. They're the same as the ones that are in the store tread. They like match my floor so good. Store tread, stair tread over in the other side entrance. And so basically what I'm going to do is cap it like that. They'll look super clean, but what I need to do is cut these back a little because they're sticking out too far. So I'm going to just use my multi-tool, cut these 2x4s, and then I'm going to need to drill holes into this because I want them to be, I'm going to glue them on, but I want them to be super secure. So I'm going to drill holes and screw them into the wood as well. Okay, so I have most of the bed all built. And then now what I'm gonna do is take a 1x2 that I cut to size already. Excuse me, Maxwell. And so that this doesn't look messy, I'm going to basically just cap this off. I'll wood glue and nail it so that it looks, you know, prettier. Hold it. Ready? Hold it right there. My little assistant. Then I'm going to start moving all the water stuff in, make sure everything works, and that will be closed off. But it'll be able to be accessed if needed, but I don't want the boys like playing down here with all that right there. Yeah. Don't come over here. I don't want this to shoot you.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
Okay, so I have as much as I think I'm going to do right now. I covered this up along with this side. I left this open because this is actually going to be where we put our propane tank, and the line will be ran back there to our oven. So we need to be able to have that be accessible. So I only did like to right there. And then for the electrical, so far all I've done is put a bottom, but Max is already talking about like wanting to play and have his toys down here, and I do not want that near that. So we haven't decided. I'm either gonna make like another board that goes here that I can have up on hinges where we can swing it, because we have to be able to access that, or like some sort of something. I don't know yet, but we did that. And then so from the inside, I only put this up and this. I don't know if I'm probably going to paint it green, just like the cabinets.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next week to see the final reveal and our first trip.